Do you remember last week, Rosie? It took us a couple of takes. Should we see if we can do it in one take this time? All right, great. Hello from me and hello from Rosie. Hello from me and hello from Rosie. Today we're going to make a Quarktaschen, which is a German pastry dessert. Some people that I work with say that they're very good, so we're going to give it a go. I'm not going to do any kind of wine, pairing with this because it's a dessert. But what I will say is, pode me zappit. Okay, in there I've got 250 grams of quark. So I'm going to bung one egg yolk in there, 30 grams of sugar, some 20 grams of butter, which I've softened, and 2 tablespoons of custard powder. And I'm going to whisk that up. Okay, and I've got a bit of vanilla paste I'm going to put in here, but you could do vanilla essence or something else. Vanilla-y. I've got 250 grams of puff pastry, and I'm going to cut that into 6 pieces. I'm now going to put a dollop of the quark mixture into the middle. Get some egg yolk and then paint it round the edge. Okay, and now we're going to fold it up into a little parcel. Don't worry about it if it comes out the edges there, all the better. And we're going to pop them in an oven, 200 degrees for about 20 minutes. Check on them after 15. Some ice and sugar in there. I'm going to mix that with some water. And when the Quarktaschens come out, I'm going to drizzle this over the top. Okay, they're looking done. Some of them have opened up a little bit more than the others, but we're not after perfection now, are we? Put them onto a cooling tray and then pour over the ice and sugar. And we're doing this while it's hot. If you like this video, why don't you subscribe?